Welcome to your dream address. From the very first step, you're greeted with grandeur. A majestic entrance crafted with elegance and scale, where every arrival feels like a statement. A pocket of serenity in the heart of the city. Lush greenery, shaded walkways, and the gentle scent of flowers. This garden is your daily escape. Whether morning strolls or quiet evenings, peace lives here, where hospitality meets sophistication. Our reception area welcomes every guest with warmth, grace, and professionalism. This is where your luxury lifestyle begins. A space for connection, celebration, and community. From birthdays to festivals, from quiet gatherings to grand events, the community hall is where neighbors become family and memories are made. Style meets sport in the billiard room. Every shot tells a story. A friendly competition, laughter, and leisure. A perfect place to unwind or challenge your friends. Luxury that touches the sky. Our rooftop infinity pool blends seamlessly with the skyline, offering breathtaking views and tranquil waters. Here, every swim is a moment of escape. A fitness space designed for your lifestyle. Equipped with state-of-the-art machines and a focused ambiance, our gym inspires strength, balance, and well-being. Because health is the new luxury, this is more than a residence. It's a reflection of your aspirations, where every amenity is not just a feature, but a way of life.